Create official Windows and installation media in minutes, no guesswork. What's the exact process? Watch to see how. Hi everyone and welcome back to the CNATT channel. To create Windows and installation media, connect your USB drive to an available USB port. Make sure the USB flash drive has at least 8 GB of storage capacity. 16 GB is recommended. Open your browser and go to the official Windows 10 download page. The link is provided in the description below. Scroll down to the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section and click Download Now. After the file downloads, run it. Click Accept. Choose the Create Installation Media option, then click Next. At this stage, the options are automatically configured based on the system running the media creation tool. If the selected architecture does not match the target computer, uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC, then manually select the correct architecture to ensure compatibility. After selecting your preferred options, click Next to continue. Choose the USB flash drive option and click Next. Select the correct drive. Important, all data on the USB drive will be erased. Click Next to continue. Wait while the required files are downloaded and the Windows 10 installation media is created. This process may take several minutes depending on your system performance, internet speed, and the speed of your USB drive. Once the process is complete, click Finish. You will now have official Windows 10 installation media ready to use. Safely eject the USB drive using the Safely Remove Hardware icon in the taskbar. And that's it. If you also need the Windows 10 ISO file, be sure to watch the video on the screen where I show you exactly how to download it step by step. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.